Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way to light up your pool, your spa. It's great for in-ground pools, above-ground pools. You can even use it in a pond. It is an LED pool lighting kit by a company called LyLmLe. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And of course, you are going to get a simple, easy to follow instructions that tell you how to set it up. But we're gonna go over a lot of the features itself. You're gonna get these little mounting discs. So if you want optional to put these in your pool, you can. Essentially, you want to make sure you follow the arrows, so you have the up arrow. And then on this side, you can see they have marked where you are going to glue this to the wall. You do get two things of super glue, one for each disc. Now, obviously, you need to make sure that the water is not in this zone when you are filling it up, and you want to make sure it cures for over 24 hours. But yeah, so inside here basically are little magnets that are going to stick to the pool device itself. So here it is. So this will line up. You got the two little bumps. It's going to go in those two little bumps right there, which means it's basically going to be centered and hold it still on the pool. And so as you can see, this will sit flush with the side of the pool wall. And then you have all these color changing LEDs, just a ton of them. And what I got here is the 2-pack. So as you can see, we've got two of these, so you can spread them out on, I have a longer pool, so you can put them on either end. And they're just really fun to add into the pool to just kind of give you this like party atmosphere at night. If you want a little ambiance, you just kind of set these on the side, and then it plugs into a standard outlet, which is right here. And then this little box here is what's going to convert it into low voltage. So the power that is going to the device itself is low voltage wire, where this is line wire. And then in here also is the Bluetooth technology. So this does have an app that you can utilize to use and control it. Because when you plug this in, all it's going to do is the lights are just going to continue to cycle through. But with the app, you can set it to a timer, so it goes on and off at a certain time. You can sync it to music. It'll listen to music out here and it'll play. You can also adjust the brightness level of them, and then you can pick from just tons and tons of colors. It has a color wheel, and you can kind of customize your color if you want to. Now, another thing I wanted to cover is, as you can see, we have a lot of cord here. This cord is a little short here to where you plug this into the wall, but the long cord, you have about 21 feet to get this from the power outlet to where you want it in your pool. But overall, that's kind of the ins and outs of these little LED pool lights. Like I said, they're perfect for your pool, either in-ground, above ground, or if you have a spa, or if you have a pond, and you're wanting to add some ambience light. I think they are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.